Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a maximum volume limit on your iPhone. This feature helps prevent your phone audio from getting too loud and can also help protect your hearing while using headphones or speakers. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you are inside the Settings menu, scroll down a little and tap on Sound Haptics. You can also use the search bar at the top of Settings and type Sound Haptics to find it quickly. Now tap on Sound Haptics. After that, scroll down until you find the option called Volume Limit or Limit Maximum Volume, then tap on it. Here you will see the option to enable the maximum volume limit. Simply turn on the toggle, and after that you can adjust the slider to set the maximum sound level according to your preference. Once you set the limit, your iPhone will not go above the selected volume level, even if you try increasing the volume using the side buttons. This feature is very useful if you listen to music for long periods or want to avoid sudden loud sounds while using headphones. And that's it. Your maximum volume limit is now successfully set on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.